And there you have it, Graham. She is all good. Secret sauce, new case screws, fully tuned. The only thing I couldn't figure out was what they were doing with this end switch here. It just sends the radio down to there, so I just left it alone because it was tied into that board, so I didn't want to disturb anything. So just leave that in the down position. See the backlit switches, blue channel display, red blue RXTX meter, red blue transmit meter, frequency counter, and the frequency counter jack is added on the back, on the bottom of the chassis. So spin it around. Just have it there. So yeah, she is done. See their band switch there, goes from A through to K. So that's the lowest she goes. You can hear the receive coming up now as we go up. This is what I always say about these diode conversions. So she goes all the way up to 3105. That's as high as it goes. Yeah, around the 15 watt scale there. 10 watts. Going to AM. On AM there now. Swinging to 15. We go to SSB. So you can see there all modes, upper, lower. Now that's kind of, she's not fully warmed up, so that's why that's a little out there. It's not long after being switched on. So anyhow, we're on upper sideband. 1 2 1 2. 15 watts. We go to LSB. And the same, good healthy power output, and working well. So happy days. You can see we have our full range. Well, we get 4.5 up and 5 down. So that control is probably, you know, ideally could be replaced, and that would get you your extra half a kc, but it's not worth the bother because you can get it going down the way, so no big deal. And yeah, happy days. Oh yeah, 10k jump is there, and then our beep. Turn that switch off. No beep. So she's just coming up to temperature now. It's on about 20 minutes. So there you go, Graham, and your Who Dares wins under the meter and the SAS logo. So it came out quite well. So happy days. Focus. Right. So we'll get her boxed up and ready to go. And just the painful part for you then. So there you have it, another 148 restored, light customization, nothing that's irreversible, and yeah, happy days. Hope you like it, Graham. Have fun with it. 73 and all the best. This is George, Irish Custom Radios. Bye bye.